What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're simply going to go ahead and show you guys how to make $500 flipping website domains. What's going on, guys? As I stated before, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. If this is your first time coming across my channel, who am I? I'm a serial digital entrepreneur who creates content on the daily to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, and help you escape the rat race, leave your 9 to 5 once you learn how to make money online. So if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, and number 2, go ahead and click the first link in the description if you want to go ahead and know what my #1 recommendation to actually make money online is. Now, with that being said, in this video, we're simply going to go ahead and cover how to make your first $500 flipping website domains. And more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and give you proof that this works, right? Now, first and foremost, how do we do this, right? The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find somewhere that you can go ahead and purchase website domains. So the first one, the most common one, is called GoDaddy.com. And you simply can go ahead and actually find website domains for as little as $10, right? Now guys, this is an investment and you're looking for a return on your investment on the back end, right? Now the objective, guys, is to find a website domain. And once you find that website domain, you want to make sure that it has commercial value, right? Now what I mean by that, something that you know for a fact that somebody is going to be looking into purchasing in the future. So I just want to give you guys an example of commercial value. Now obviously you're not going to get this lucky, but this is the power of this, right? So if we look here, but I want to show you guys this article, right? Home Away CEO Brian Sharples bought the domain name in 2007 vacationrentals.com for $35 million. Let me repeat that one more time. He bought the website domain Vacation Rentals for $35 million, right? Now chances are somebody snagged this domain name really early before there's too much competition, and they spent probably about $10 and they made $35 million off this domain. Now why? Because it had commercial value. Now just to look a little bit deeper into the story, he explains the reason why he bought this domain is to keep it away from Expedia, right? To keep it away from his competition. So he didn't even buy this domain to use it. He bought it to keep it away from his competitor.